Today we are going to see the two different part of Mercury. The Mercury is the only planet which has a combustion also, as well as it has a retrograde also. So how that difference will affect the native in the chart? First of all, when Mercury is normal, when it is not retrograde, not in the combustion, when it is in motion, this is the situation where person apply their mind when it is required only. That means person not give any extra advice, person will not give any extra communication. Normally the Mercury is based for the application of mind, communication. What we hear, then we translate in our mind and then we give reply. That entire process is a Mercury. And normally Mercury we see as our brain, normally we say, or gray matter, where our memory stored. So where our memory store is a gray matter area which owned by the Mercury. So Mercury is very important when we listen something, then we understand something. In childhood we make them understand this called this is like this is like this. So that is a Mercury. So when Mercury is motion, person apply its mind whenever it is required. Not any extra mind, the extra intelligence they have. Whenever it is required, they give their suggestion, they give you reply, but very normal, not having any sense or smell of extra intelligence. Now, first of all, we talk about the retrogression. When Mercury is retrograde, that is the best situation of a Mercury where he can apply his mind by his own. When normal people and their thoughts, the retrograde Mercury people will start from there. When normal person thoughts ended, there the retrograde Mercury start, and they are so smart, so smart that you will not believe that what kind of intellectual they have. So what the extra things when Mercury is retrograde the native will get, that will foresee. When Mercury is retrograde, he is the native will be having an extra intelligence. Means you will see that oh, he is so smart, so he will be so smart. So people having the retrograde Mercury having a very smartness, extra intelligence, then they have a fast decision and quick decision, prompt decision. Immediately they take a decision. They don't wait what to do, who's there, who's not there. So they don't think. That's a fast decision they will be have. They have a very expedient communication. Even if you speak, immediately they will reply, oh no, it's not like that. I am not like this. Yes, this should be the solution. So prompt, so quick communication also they have, and immediately understand the things and immediately reply you. So that is a communication expedient. Then whenever Mercury is retrograde in the transit also, this is a time where you can apply immediate decision. So this is the time where to apply immediate decision. Take a pending decision. When you are taking a decision for a long period, for planning for a long period, this is the best time when Mercury is retrograde, take a call. So whenever Mercury is retrograde, you can take the pending decision which you have kept for a long time. When I will take up how? So that is a pending decision. So whenever Mercury is retrograde in the transit, immediately take a decision, immediately take somebody's advice. Then long term or old relation can be revived. Whenever Mercury is retrograde, you can start communicating with your old people to whom you wish to again re-establish the communication. This is a time when the Mercury is retrograde in transit, and those having the Mercury retrograde in their chart also, they will also have an extra intelligence. They can recognize people fast. They are good in the social networking, and they can have so many friends, and they take a long term and old relation again they will retrieve. So they revive the old relationship also when Mercury is retrograde. Then fast trading. For speculative people, when Mercury is retrograde, this is the right time to earn fast. Every month Mercury is a retrograde. Every 2 months, 3 months you will find Mercury is retrograde, and you will get a prompt decision. So whenever the Mercury is retrograde, you can take the fast trading, stock decision, buy and sell. And those having a Mercury retrograde in their chart itself, they are also extra intelligent, smart in investment. See, LIC also comes in the Mercury when you convince somebody people. So this is the Mercury's peculiarity. When it is a retrograde in native, they are extra intelligent, they are fast decision making, they are expedient in the communication, prompt reply they give, they take the pending decision very fast, they don't keep anything pending, and even others pending decision also they will find a solution. Then they take the long term and old relation also can be revived or retrieved by those who having the Mercury retrograde, or in the transit when Mercury is retrograde. And fast trading, stock decision, buy and sell can be also happen when it is retrograde. Now we'll see some qualities of Mercury combust. When Mercury is combust, then not to take a decision. Whenever in the transit Mercury is combust, you should not take a decision. Otherwise you are influenced by others and you will not able to take the right call. So there is a very dangerous term, you should not take a call. Avoid trading. Don't do any trading when Mercury is combust, or if you are native, if yourself the Mercury is combust, you should always take a decision of others, agents, brokers, then only take the decision. Communication gap. When Mercury is retrograde, they speak half and half think they don't speak, and that create the communication gap. So communication gap, if native have a Mercury combust, or when Mercury is combust in the transit, you should have a communication gap. That period should be avoided. Education will be disturbed. See, when we say the retrograde Mercury, it's extra intelligent. They take the so many decisions, so many education part very prompt. When it is a combust, education also get disturbed. They don't have a prompt memory, so they cannot recall, they cannot have a memory to make expedient. And avoid business. They should avoid the business, because in business you need a prompt and quick decision. So if your Mercury is combust, it is better always to take somebody's help decision, or to confirm your decision with others. Then only you should take a call. Otherwise you should avoid your own decision also. Whenever it is combust, it's combust with the sun, when it is close to the sun degree. That means you are always influenced by others and you are not able to take your own decision, and it may be influenced negatively. So this is a three condition when Mercury is normal. The person is normal, they don't have any extra intelligence, but normal ways. When it is retrograde, they are extra intelligent, smart, education wise very good, fast decision making, they are having a communication expedient, pending decision, pending relation also revive very fast, and good in the trading, commerce, business, everything. And when it is combust, it's a not to take decision, they are avoid trading, communication gap, education disturbance, and avoid business. So these are the things we have to understand when Mercuries are combust, retrograde and motion. So this awareness I have to create, that is why I have to keep this video, and hope you all like this video and share with others, and check what kind of a Mercury you have. Accordingly your memory, according to your intellectual, communication, education will be depend. So thank you very much. Do listen this video, do like, share and subscribe my channel DM Astrology, and for consultation you can contact me here, the number given, and you can follow me in Facebook, Instagram for more knowledge. Hope this you like this video. Thank you. God bless you. Namaste.